Namaskar, I'm Suruchi Das and you're watching Rhythm News. In an unexpected turn of events, the ongoing assembly election campaigns in Jammu Kashmir took a back seat, not because of local political rivalries, but due to global events reverberating in the valley. National Conference's Gulmarg candidate, Agha Ruhollah, halted his election campaign citing solidarity with Hezbollah. Ruhollah's decision has drawn criticism for bringing foreign militant causes into local political fold. What was the immediate cause of unrest? The killing of Hezbollah chief Hassan Nasrallah in an Israeli airstrike. Protests broke out across Jammu Kashmir where large crowds marched holding Nasrallah's portrait, chanting in favor of Hezbollah. This act of solidarity with a foreign militant leader has raised eyebrows, particularly since Hezbollah is an internationally recognized terrorist group. The protests centered in Budgam and Srinagar saw participation from men, women, and children alike, including major regional political parties. Their grief and rage were not merely for a political leader, but for a figure involved in global terrorism. This blending of international militancy with local sentiments sparked concerns about the growing influence of radical ideologies in the region. Streets swelled with chants against Israel while protesters framed Nasrallah's killing as a martyrdom, a narrative that has left many questioning the rise of extremist sympathies. In an unprecedented move, People's Democratic Party leader Mehbooba Mufti cancelled her election campaign for the day, further fueling the controversy. Her statement, "Solidarity with Martyrs of Lebanon and Gaza," showed clear alignment with Hezbollah's cause, drawing sharp criticism from those who believe the valley should focus on local governance rather than international militant agendas. Mufti's public stance has been seen by some as an attempt to appease a radicalized faction within her voter base, while neglecting the broader welfare of the region. This is not the first time external extremist groups have found sympathizers within Kashmir, but the public display of support for a terrorist leader marks a dangerous precedent. It reflects a deeper polarization within the region where local politics are increasingly interwoven with international radical ideologies. As the valley continues to grapple with aftermath of Article 370's abrogation, voices like that of National Conference MP Agha Sayyid Ruhollah Mehdi have warned of rising disillusionment among the youth. Mehdi, known for his anti-center stance, criticized the government's handling of the regional issues, but he must now address the reality that aligning with terrorist sympathies undermines any genuine political progress for Jammu Kashmir. What remains at stake is the future of a region torn between local aspirations and global militancy. Will the people of Kashmir rise above extremist ideologies, or will this growing identification with terror figures like Nasrallah pull the region further into a quagmire of violence? Jai.
In a world overflowing with information where news travels faster than light, it's time to redefine the way we consume news and entertainment. Stay ahead with the latest from around the globe, from the pages of history to the top interviews, blogs to podcasts. Find all exclusive stories in one place, the Rhythm app. Uncover a world of entertainment with exclusive web series, captivating short reels, and live moments through trending videos. For the sports enthusiast and tech savvy, we've got you covered with top reviews from the business. Get ready for the ultimate experience. Download now Rhythm app, where every story matters.